guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be using the new MAC and Patrick Starrr collaboration. This one is called Diva Feva. It is their summer collection that they came out with together, and it comes with a bronzer, an eyeshadow quad, and 2 lip glasses, which I will be using all of them in this video. So these 4 items come together as a set and it is $49.50, which I think is an amazing deal. So if you guys want to see how I use them, then please keep on watching. I'm going to apply the bronzer first. I already did my foundation and my concealer and I already set everything. And I'm going to use a Morphe M570 brush to apply this. And the bronzer is called Give Me Life. So I'm just going to apply it where I would normally bronze. I'm going to bronze my forehead a little bit. So I really like the color of the bronzer. It looks really natural. It just looks like I just have a really nice tan, which is nice because this collection is for the summer. I really like it. So before I move on to the eyes, I'm going to take some translucent powder and I'm going to set my under eyes with it. So in case there is any fallout, it doesn't ruin my foundation. And I'm also going to take some of that translucent powder and clean up the bronzer just a little bit. I'm going to take some on my forehead as well because I get super oily there. Okay, so I'm just going to let that sit for a little bit and then I'm going to move on to the eyes, and then after we'll dust it off. So for my eyeshadow primer, I'm taking Soft Ochre by MAC as well, and this is what I'm going to use to prime my eyes. So as for the eyeshadow look, I'm just going to go ahead and keep it very simple, very summer inspired. So for my transition shade, I'm going to go ahead and apply Sandy Crotch. And I'm going to take some of that on a fluffy brush and apply this in my crease. Next, to deepen up my crease, I'm going to use the color Mabuhay. I'm assuming that's how you say it, but it's this one right here. And I'm going to apply a little bit of that in my crease. That color is pretty pigmented. It took a lot more than what I wanted. I'll take a little bit of, let me just blend it out really quick. Okay, so let's try it again. Just gonna blend the colors together. So I think that's it for that color. It's pretty pigmented. A little bit of that goes a really long way, but I'm just gonna keep it very light, very simple, and move on to the next color. So for all over my lid, I'm going to take the color Brash, and I'm going to spray some Fix Plus on this. I'm like running out. Okay, so this is the color Brash. It's a really nice color. It's super pigmented. I'm going to take some more of the dark brown and Sandy Crotch and blend it in here just really quickly to buff out the edges of this. That's pretty much it for the top portion of my eye. Now for my bottom lash line, I'm going to apply the shade Ready on a flat shader brush. And I'm going to put this as close as possible to my lash line. And then I'm going to take a pencil brush and Sandy Crotch and just diffuse it a little bit. So now I'm just going to dust everything off, and as for fallout, there wasn't really much fallout at all. So now I'm just going to apply some mascara and some false lashes, and the mascara that I'm using is Extended Play by MAC. So it comes with 2 different shades of glosses, and the first one that I'm going to use is called Fashion Punch. So the second shade that I'm going to use is called Cream Pie, and this is more of a pink nude. So my thoughts on this collection, I really like it. This is probably my favorite one out of all three. The colors are very neutral, very wearable, but still there's a little bit of like pops of color, but it's still pretty neutral, and a lot of people who don't really wear makeup are still gonna like this collection. So there you guys have it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below telling me which was your favorite item from the Patrick Starrr and MAC Cosmetics collaboration. Let me know, and I will see you guys next time.